tight, like a little bit stiff.
Okay, right here?
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of on the left a little too.
Works more on the left?
Yeah.
Okay, anywhere? Anywhere else?
And then just my wrist, right in here. It's a little tight, and it kind of radiates back in here.
Okay, let's take a look. Go ahead and go face down. You can actually see that right away. Short right leg, very obvious. Oh, right when I get to about, do you already feel it in your low back there, or is that okay?
Yeah, it kind of takes the pressure off.
Yeah, right, everything changes right there. It's like, oh, and it's nice. The leg length evens up. Yeah, and you look perfect in that position. And it just gets really wild. From that angle, you probably even see that. So I push there, nothing. I get right into that upper lumbar, and everything starts changing. But you're getting it more on the left side, yeah?
Yeah, and my left knee was even hurting a little bit too.
Yeah, the nerves, that's L1, L2. Those are the nerves that are going to innervate the muscles that cross the knee. Okay, and the nerves from the neck down to the arms here, that lower neck and this center, tend to build up tension here. So I'm going to have you turn your head this way. Relax there. Take a deep breath in. Perfect. Okay. All right. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Let's turn your head the other way. And let that go. Awesome. Let's go face down there. Okay, great start there. And let me interlace your fingers right there. That thing sank right in. That was great. Very nice. Chest up. Okay. Let me see this guy. Go ahead and squeeze your fingers together and relax. Squeeze again. Relax. Okay. Flex your wrist and relax. Squeeze there. Okay, and extend the wrist. Right there, and do the same thing. Okay. This time, turn and bend your elbow. Okay. Keep it in. And this tells us if the wrist has more elbow involvement. You're going to squeeze here and relax. Squeeze. It's subtle. Then none of them's showing up too weak though, which is good.
It's mostly right in there.
Right between the scaphoid and the lunate.
Yep.
So lean back right there. Good. Good. And then let me get the radius and we'll, there it goes. Good. And then we're just gonna work some of those trigger points out of there. Go ahead and push against me. Handle that okay?
Yeah.
Feel good or hurt so good?
Yeah, it hurts so good.
Something like that, okay. Okay, push your wrist again.
Okay.
We're just spreading some of the fascia there and relax. Okay. All right, shake it out. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. Right on. Ready for some arm wrestling?
Sure. As long as you use my right.
Yeah. That's awesome.